Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Today I'm going to be using some of the goodies from the brand new Kylie Jenner Weather Collection. So before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell in the corner to get notified every single time I upload a new video. If you guys want to see how I created this look right here and some of the goodies from the Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using the brand new Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection. So I got both the eyeshadow palettes, a lipstick, and the lip gloss to show you guys today. So to start out, I want to show you the collection first, and then we can jump into trying the eyeshadows and the makeup tutorial. The first palette I got is the Eye of the Storm palette, and this is what it looks like. We have the beautiful bold lettering in the front, which is the name of the palette, Eye of the Storm, and then we have some beautiful lightning bolts. And then when you open it up, there is a little bit of a different packaging for the actual palette itself. So the package itself is gray and has holographic lightning bolts with the name Kylie Jenner. On the back, we have some of the shades. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. They're very small on the sticker. And this is a 10 shadow palette, and it retails for $40, which is a little bit cheaper than her regular palettes, but it does not have a mirror in it, which is a little unusual. So these are the colors here. They're more dark and stormy than the other palette.
And here are the swatches for the Eye of the Storm.
And for the other palette, we have Calm Before the Storm, and this is more the colored palette. It's more brighter, kind of rainbowish, and her baby Stormy actually inspired this collection, and she was working on it while she was pregnant. So as you can see, we have some holographic kind of drops with the yellow Calm Before the Storm, and the yellow is really the main color of this collection. When you open it up, we have some really detailed holographic yellow packaging on the inside, and then the package itself is yellow with some holographic swirls, and the same thing as the other palette, we have the shade names in the back here on the sticker. Then when you open it up, it has 10 colors in it, just like the other one, except these are more rainbowish. So we have the matte on the top and then the color in a shimmer below. So this is pink in matte, and then we have the pink shimmer below, which I thought was a really cool idea.
And here are the swatches for the Calm Before the Storm.
This, like the other one, retails for $40. And I did not get the highlighting palette because I do have one of her other highlighters, and I feel like it was kind of the same color vibes in it. So that, the highlighter, I'll try and put a picture of it right here, that retails for $45, which is a little bit pricey, and especially because the eyeshadow palettes are $5 cheaper. So I thought that was a little weird. So then I got the one of the lipsticks. There were 3, and this color is in Nova, which is a terracotta brown. So we have this really dark navy blue packaging right here. And then when you open it up, it's one of her matte lipsticks. That's how much comes in it. And then I don't know if you guys can see very well, but it has a little lightning bolt right on the lipstick itself. And it's very nice and pointed for precise application. So I'm just gonna swatch this for you really quick so you guys can see what color it is. And this is a very, very nice terracotta-ish, brownish, pinkish color. It's a gorgeous nude. The next thing I got was the Flash Gloss. It has a beautiful holographic packaging with the little lightning bolt in her name. And when I got this, I tried it on immediately, and this is one of the most beautifulest glosses I have ever tried. This is what the gloss looks like, and it's very pink with a lot of glitter in it. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see the little lightning bolts on the cap. And let me swatch it for you guys. I absolutely love Kylie's lip glosses because they are not sticky at all, very comfortable to wear, and very long lasting. And I think I might pick up another one of these lip glosses because it is absolutely stunning. Look at that. All that glitter and gloss, shine and shimmer. That is so beautiful. And I think this one was $16. So I will put the price of it right up here for you guys. So we are going to be jumping into the palettes today. So I want to do a cut crease for you guys. I am leaning towards using these purple colors and these pink colors right here. If you guys want, I can do a St. Patrick's Day kind of look, and I can use these colors, these greens right here. So just let me know in the comments below and I would be happy to do that for you. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking my Janny black gel liner, and you guys can take any black gel liner for this look. I'm going to be taking my Sigma E6 brush, and it has just a little pointed small tip to it, which is going to be very easy to draw on the wing of it. So I'm just going to take a tiny little amount. I'm going to be tilting my head back so I can really see, and I'm going to be drawing a very precise line right here. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be connecting it where my lid flaps over. So see how there's a crease right in here? So I'm just going to connect it with the crease. And then putting a little bit more gel on my brush, I'm just going to fill this little triangle in. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Kylie Cosmetics Concealer in Pine Nut, and I am going to cut my crease right here, so we're shaping it. I'm going to be taking my MAC 228 brush, which is a small shader brush to get really precise. And I'm going to be taking this purple matte color right here in the corner, which I think it's called True Love. I'm going to be taking this on my MAC 228. And I'm going to be putting this right in my inner corner. I want to make sure that I'm not going above that crease that we cut out. Next color that I'm going to use is the purple metallic shimmery color, which is called Sweet Sweet. Taking it on my MAC 228 brush, which is the same brush I just used, and I'm going to be putting this right in the center. This color is beautiful. And we're just going to overlap it a little bit right here just to marry those colors together. Next, I'm going into the Eye of the Storm palette, and I'm going to be taking this black shadow, which is Stargaze. And I'm going to be taking it on my MAC 228 brush. And I'm just going to go over that black part that we already did and then add more color right in here. And this one has a lot of fallout, but that's normal. Okay, and we're just going to pat it in right here. Bring this up a little bit. And I'm going back into Sweet Sweet, which is the shimmery purple color, just so we can blend those colors in a little bit better. I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Distortion in Glam Rock. I'm just going to be going over this right here so that it blends in a little bit better. And then I'm going to be taking my Tarte pencil brush. I'm going back into the Calm Before the Storm palette. Going back into the Sweet Sweet Purple Metallic color. Dipping just a little bit into here.
And I'm going to go underneath the eye.
And then on the outside, I'm just going to dip right back into Eye of the Storm. Taking this black color right here, which is Stargaze. Just taking a tiny bit of it. I'm going to connect this down just a tiny bit at the end. For my inner corner, I'm going to be taking, and this color is either Sweet, Storm, or Electric. I'm going to be taking this on a tiny Tarte pencil brush and going right into my inner corner. That was beautiful. So that's it for the eyes today. Next thing I'm going to be doing is using the Nova lipstick. So this is Nova. It's a beautiful terracotta nude. And then I'm going to be putting the Flash lip gloss on top of it. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my false eyelashes on and I will be right back for my final thoughts. So this is the final look. So let's get to my final thoughts on the Weather collection. So first thing I want to talk about is the Flash lip gloss. This lip gloss is so amazing. It is one of the most stunning, beautiful glitter lip glosses that I have ever come across. It is so comfortable to wear. It doesn't get goopy. It doesn't get sticky. It's very well priced and it is just absolutely stunning. I highly recommend that you guys get this if you like glitter lip gloss. The next thing that I really love is the Nova lipstick. I think it is such a beautiful color, and paired with the lip gloss, it is just an unstoppable combination that I think any girl who loves nude and glitter would love to put together. I think it is very reasonably priced. I do really like it. Supposedly, I thought she said that it was supposed to be a new formula, but it feels exactly like the same formula that she had when she released her other lipstick formulas. So I don't know, but I do really like it. So now let's get into the eyeshadow palettes. I was really shocked at how pigmented the colors were, especially for the pastel palette. Normally pastel colors, you really have to put a white base underneath, and I was expecting that these colors wouldn't show up that well, even though they are beautiful in the pan. But they really surprised me. This purple pigment was absolutely amazing. It blew me away. I cannot wait to do more looks with more colors in this palette. Now let's talk about the Eye of the Storm palette. The black in here is incredible. It's one of the blackest blacks that I have ever used, so I was really happy with that. I really like the silver that I used in here. Unfortunately, this look did not call for any other colors in this palette today, so I'm really looking forward to using the rest of the colors in this palette and creating an even more gorgeous look with it. But I really have high expectations for this after using some of the colors in both of the palettes. If you guys are looking to choose between one or the other, I think you'd be very happy with both of them, but I would gravitate towards the one that you're going to use the most and the colors that speak to you the most. So the one that I'm probably surprisingly going to use more than the other one is the pastel one. You guys know that I absolutely love purples and pinks. I use them on a daily basis. So if I was going to choose one, I would definitely choose the Calm of the Storm one, the pastel one. Overall, I am very happy with this look. Before we leave, guys, since I did not get the highlighter, I want to show you the Anastasia x Amrezy highlighter today. So I bought this with my own money, and I do have the palette as well. and I wanted to show you guys my thoughts on it because I did not receive this in PR. So I normally like to put on highlighters with this kind of dome shape brush, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And I will put the price of the highlighter right here. This is what it looks like. It looks absolutely stunning in the pan. Absolutely gorgeous. When I opened it, it looked like pure liquid metal with just little ridges in it. It was so beautiful. So I have used this many times, and I want to show you guys what it looks like on my face first before I get into my thoughts about it. So I'm going to take a little bit on the side of my brush, and this does have a little mirror in it, which is great. And I'm just going to run this across my face. It's going to look different here than on a everyday regular basis because I do have my light shining. So my opinion about this is I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Do I think it is absolutely blinding? No, I do not, unfortunately. But I do think it is absolutely gorgeous. It's very nice because you can have it very subtle or build it up. It is an everyday highlighter. You can definitely wear this to work, and it is absolutely really pretty. It looks like it's not glitter, but it has little bits of something in it, and it kind of makes your skin look very textured. And normally I don't have a lot of texture on my face right here where I put my highlights, so I'm not really loving that. But it is a very beautiful highlight, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on my skin from someone who does not get it in PR, who has an honest opinion. Once again, it's going to look totally different right now when I'm showing it to you guys because I do have a light sitting 1 foot across from me, and I can see in the monitor that it looks absolutely stunning and blinding. It is not as blinding as it looks on the camera. It is more subtle than it is blinding, so if you guys like that, I would definitely go for it. It is absolutely beautiful, but it does kind of put texture on your face right here. If you guys already have texture right here, I would kind of shy away from this one. So I just wanted to end the video with that. I hope you guys liked my video today. Thank you so much for trying out these new products with me. If you guys want me to try out any other new products that are coming out, please leave me a comment below and I would be happy to do that. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.